hands here. Jackson.
Gotcha, bitch.
Now he's free at the 35. Rashad Bateman.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Still got you, bitch. That's a clip, nigga. Follow me, Dr. 16 on YouTube, IG, or Twitch, bitch. Gotcha. Crazy shit I ever seen, nigga.